Hello, it's been a while since I uploaded the last video, and I'm sorry, yes, that it's gonna be this time again in portrait mode. I just arrived in Shoppiland, and during the last days I was either occupied at the fire department, there was a massive storm hitting Switzerland, and on the other end I was working a lot because we had some people being on holidays, and I just jumped in to get everything back on track. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Oliver. I'm running 4 KFC restaurants in Switzerland, and I'm a volunteering fireman. And this channel is all about having fun going to work, my everyday carry, and my 2,000 kilometer weekly commute. Yep, it's weekly. So I just wanted to give you also a second update because some of you already wondered why I was uploading so many videos. There was some small disclaimers already inside of my existing videos. I basically had a challenge from the 7th of July during the cohort 3 of the part-time YouTuber Academy from Ali Abdal till the end of the cohort. This will be this Sunday, that I will try to upload 7 videos a day and 8 minutes long each. And yeah, if I'm not able to, I don't want to, this is the important part here, I would stop that. And I had 8 accountability partners who were supporting me in this course. I will leave the links to their respective YouTube channels down in the video description later. So, but as you've seen, there's some parts coming in between. There was technical issues which I will dig deeper into on how to fix them if you ever have the issue that your phone is not freeing your memory up when you delete stuff on your camera roll. The second part is that work came in the way. The challenge was planned with having holidays, and last but not least, there was like a massive storm hitting Switzerland, which basically took away a whole day of my time. And I mean, just jumping in for holidays, etc., also cost a little of my possibilities which I had in between. And yeah, that was basically my constraints which I was facing. But I learned a lot of lessons, and I just wanted to get back into the habit and leave you with one small anecdote right now here. Even if you think your impact on other people is minor with what you're doing, I just, after disclosing part of it, I got so many people reaching out to me and saying thank you. And there it comes back to the part of you need to talk about what you're doing, show your work. Boston Cleon is a good book for that. And yeah, let other people know, and don't be too afraid or afraid at all what they might say, because to be fair enough, whatever their opinion is, you decide whether you're going to take their opinion and make it yours, or you just take your own opinion. Because there was a saying from a creator, and I had it on Clubhouse, something in the way of their opinion is based on their perception, it's based on their thoughts, and therefore it has nothing to do with your thoughts and your intentions, etc. So being too much intimidated by that opportunity that someone might say something, etc., don't let it stop you. I mean, whenever you do something, you have the risk of creating friction. I mean, there's points you might bump into. You are even just uploading plenty of videos might leave constraint on the other side, which you're either not aware of, or in the process of thinking about it, there's something missing where you think later, oh, I would have done it differently. But that should directly be transverted into, I will do it differently for the future, because you can't change the past. And therefore, do not mourn about it too long, take the learning from it, and just move forward. And that's what I do right now. And there are plenty of learnings, and there will be plenty of videos coming now about this whole challenge. And there will also be a video later coming on the Q&A, because I will make a Q&A, and it's not subscriber bound. It's part of the Academy. It's one of the challenge from week 6. The though in my case it's the 400 published video challenge, or let's say not challenge but Q&A. So for when I upload my number 400 video, I think this one should be the Q&A one, or I would do one before, one after, whatever. But I try to make it the video number 400. And yeah, if you want to be part of it, subscribe to the channel. Be sure that you hit the notification bell so you understand and see right away when this Q&A video comes up, which gives you a short description on how I need your applications. Although you can just leave that in the comment section on this one as well. If you have any questions regarding the challenge, regarding my fire department job, the last days, whatever it's gonna be, I will try to answer that in my Q&A. The last one was already pretty full, but I hope that together with you guys I can extend the length of my Q&A to a couple of more minutes. And let me put it straight, I will not limit the length of the video. No, I will not limit the length of the video. So how many questions ever come, and let's make the one disclaimer for the moment, at least one question as a agreed maximum per person. I mean, if there are more questions coming and I have time and space, I will put it inside, but just to save myself, someone is just dropping a question list from I don't know where. Yeah, and then I will just answer that in this video, and I think it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a lot of fun, because I enjoyed the last one. I had some really funny questions inside, and I will leave the link for the other Q&A up here out of the last cohort. But for this time, yeah, I need your help. I will make a call to action video where I ask explicitly for the feedback, but this time I wanted to leave it at least as a side note within this one here. I hope wherever you are right now you do not have too much water and rain. We still have like 30 millimeters per square meter. Tonight it was also raining cats and dogs in Zurich. I was traveling with a train by a lot of rivers right now, and they're all, let's say, not within the normal range anymore. So maybe there's going to be another calls coming within the next days for us from the fire department and also the other agencies helping and protecting the communities. Thank you so much for watching. I will have to go and want to go, that's the important part here, to work a little today, and probably see you later. Thanks, bye bye.